Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how Linux hackers can create their own voice control Linux system, something like Siri or Cortana. But before any of this, I have to show you 5 slides. It's only going to take 1 minute, so please bother with me. So voice control Linux system, this is my childhood dream. Let's get started. So what is Pareto principle? So this is something I have to explain first. So it's 80-20 rule. Basically it means 80% things matter and 80% do not matter, 20% matter. So you got so many programs in your computer but you mostly use 20%. So everything you do learn, it's always 20% which gives us the maximum output. So let's discuss Siri and Cortana. Now we all know what these things are. They suck. Why? Because in Windows, if you are using Cortana, all it can do is it can open some GUI program, right? Some GUI program, but there is no Unix philosophy. So it's highly restricted. Like Cortana cannot do anything in that GUI program. But in Linux, okay, I'll discuss Linux later. So but in Apple we got Siri, and Apple have an ecosystem which is basically something like Unix philosophy. So the Apple programs can interact with each other. So Siri can do some stuff in Apple program. When you say something like, if you ask to play music, it can open Apple Music and run some song and do some functionalities. Okay, but it's limited to Apple ecosystem. So if you have any other program, you cannot do it. So that's one thing. The second thing is that Siri or Cortana, they are, when they make functionality, they make for every user, all right, everyone who is going to use. Now I talked about Pareto principle. So I don't want all functionalities. I just want 20%, which I do a lot. Okay, things which I do a lot. I just want to voice control automate. Like I want my voice assistant to be, more customizable according to my own needs. All right. But this is not Siri provide. Okay. So why Linux can have better voice control system? Because in Linux, the tools which I use in my life is mostly CLI. Okay. So all the programs I use, I try mostly, using CLI. So CLI gives you more control and it follow Unix philosophy. So we can pipe things, and this is why it's much better. I can write shell scripts to automate. Similarly, I can make it voice control. So yeah, the Unix philosophy is one thing. Also here I'm going to define what stuff I want as voice controlled. Okay, so according to Pareto principle, what I'm going to do is, if something I do a lot, I'm going to make it voice controlled. So if I want to send message to my family, all right, and I do this a lot, like I do this daily, then I can simply create a shell script and then make it voice controllable. Okay, so this is my idea. So how we can do it with Vosk? So in my previous video I showed you an example, and in this video I'm going to show you like a generic way of doing something. So what is Vosk? It's basically a very lightweight solution, a very lightweight speech recognition model. It works fine. It do not work like really good, but for keywords it work fine, and we just want keywords. Okay, so if we get keywords, then we can run some scripts. So if you, for example, let me just show you this. So I'll show you like how Vosk work, but right now I just want to show you voice to text script which I created by using Vosk. It's really lightweight. It's only going to, the model is only 40 MB, 30 MB. All right, so it's very lightweight. So all I have to do is just press enter voice to text, and then hi, today is a good day. It's going to record for 5 seconds, and hi, today is a good day. So this is what it's going to do. So if I show you the script, local bin voice to text, so all it's doing is it's running an ffmpeg command. All right, this is the ffmpeg command, and what this command is doing is it's basically recording 4 seconds of my audio and putting it in cache. All right, so it's using my default mic. In laptops you don't have to worry, you already have internal mic. So usually in my PC I always have mic connected, so Then I am just running this command, which is going to convert the audio into a like a file, like a text file. All right, we will talk about this later, but now let me show you like how I can automate my stuff. So let me mount my uh, so this is just a generic idea which I'm providing, so anyone can do it in for their own needs. So I have this MNT media here. So these are all my like shows. So I got a lot of movies, and sometimes I just want to play some movie. So it's just an idea. Like it doesn't matter. It's not like I'm going to do this, but right now I'm out of ideas, so I'm just creating this. So if I run like okay, find and then MNT media and movies and press enter. So these are all my movies. Let's do type F. So only I only want like MKV and MP4. So in order to only get MKV MP4 we have to provide, what, I forgot what I have to provide. So let me just quickly get out another one of my script, local bin play, not play music, local win sync watch. In this I used, yeah, so I only want MP4 and MKB. Let me copy the whole thing. All right, the slow video. All right, so this is the command MNT media movies, and what this command is going to do is it's only going to list out all the MKV and MP4 files. And now what I can do is I can pipe this in. So we want to make it voice control, so I'll pipe this in FZF, but if I press enter, it's going to give me this like a menu, which I don't want. Okay, so let me close this. I'm going to use filter, and here I'm going to give a query. Okay, so query can be anything like social network. Okay, and I got social network here. Now this is good, but this query I want to generate via voice to text. All right, so here if I press enter, social network. Okay, so I got the first result. So I got two results actually. So I can pipe this in head hyphen n, like one, and I can make the variable of all of this and put some column here and use MPV. So if I press enter, social network. All right, so I waited for 1 second. Okay, so let me play some other movie. So press enter. Little Forest. Okay, there is so we didn't got any, I guess. Let's try again. Little Forest. Okay, now it worked. Okay, so I know this is not like the best example. There are a lot of flaws, but you can run some scripts. So for example, I use Telegram and I have a script to send Telegram messages by just running like D menu and typing username and just saying the message, and it will convert it to text. So I'll show you in some other video. Let me know in comments. So this is something I can make. I can just copy and make a shell script quickly, and then like run it with D menu, or so I don't have to go to the directory and play movie. Okay, I guess there is some show. That's it. So this is the script, and I can quickly hit mod X, play movie, and then play movie. Which movie should I play? I don't even remember how many movies I got. Like okay, let me quickly see. MNT media movies. Gravity. Okay, play Gravity. Okay, it worked. So it's not about this example, it's about this idea. Okay, and about Vosk, in case if you're curious, so Vosk models, you have to go to this site here in this page. You have to download one model here. So I'm using this 40 MB one. Actually, I'm using this 36 MB one, which is Indian English. You can use like 40 MB one. These light models are really good. Okay, don't download like this heavy model, it will lag a lot. Okay, so whatever extent you got, you can download, and the lighter one works. And after downloading the model, I have this model in local share KDN live speech model. So this is where I have like these two directories. And once you get it, you have to install this Vosk package, and in Archlinks you have to give this flag break system packages. And once this get installed, you can basically use this command Vosk transcriber, give the model path. So the model path is here. Okay, and then give an input file. So I have this audio.wave, which is just sample which I have, and then output file, so test.txt. Press enter. So as you can see, so this is what I said in this audio file. Open Hannah Montana episode 10. All right, so you can see that I got this test.txt here. So there are a lot of things you can do. Like if you think about it, you can literally just write shell scripts and make it voice controlled. So if there is some need you got, or you understand, like this is like hacker's paradise, right? So thanks for watching this video, and I'm in love with Vosk. It can do so much, so might make more videos on it. So see you in the next video.